Hi guys, it's Ray. If you saw my Butterfly Lane Designs subscription box unboxing, you would have seen that she sent me this cup as a gift as well. I plan to use this as my work cup. I'm not going to do it as epoxy because I don't need to. I'm going to use these, which were in the box, the It's Just a Phase saying, and the phases of the moon. They will stand out on this, but they'll kind of blend in, so I'm good with that. I'm going to start by wiping this down with alcohol, just to make sure my surface is clean. And this is one of those flip top with the straw inside. I've been using a Christmas sublimation tumbler for work, but it is time to change that out, so this is actually perfect timing. I was going to go back to my 80s baby sub, but a bigger tumbler is actually perfect. So, I think I'm going to put the Just a Phase on this side, the text. So the UV DTFs do not need to be coated with anything. They can stand alone. Somewhere I got this wet. Oh, because I got alcohol on my table. That's what I did. And I just set that in it. But these don't need to be sealed. They can stand alone and just do their own thing. I am going to trim it down just a little bit more. So you apply them by removing the backer. The ink is like sandwiched in between the two layers. And I'm going to get my placement. And you're going to want to burnish it really well, especially any small bits. You only get one chance with the DTF, so if it's not straight, it is what it is. And I am trying to keep just a tiny piece lifted so I don't have to pick at the cup. I mean, burnish really well. Like, I'm not kidding. Especially something I'm not going to seal over the top of. See, like I didn't get that corner well enough. And I do try and peel slowly. There. The backing is very sticky. So and smaller bits can be tricky sometimes. There we go. It's just a phase. Cute. Absolutely cute. Now I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to decide. I think I'm going to split this. Because I don't think I want to work on the curve. Well, I do want to work on the curve, but I want to have better control over it. So I'm going to cut it off here. So I can put the top half to the full moon above the curve. You don't have to trim these down. I just find I do better with less of this sticky backing. And again, peel it. It's a little chilly in here. I probably could have warmed up the cup a little bit with my heat gun. Might have been helpful. There, I got her. Try not to touch the ink part. It's a little bit crooked, but you know what? It's for me. It's okay. Burnish, burnish, burnish. Unless I did stick it all down, so I'm gonna have to use a pick. Oops. If something doesn't stick, just fold it back and try again. A felt edge squeegee would have been better, but I don't see one. Okay, there's that part, and I actually think I'm going to cut off that little extra dot, and I'm going to give myself more chances to muck it up and not get it even, because I'm going to do the one that's going down the curve as its own piece as well. I think that'll just be easier for me. Beautiful. And the last big section. Okay. There we go. And I just have this last little star cluster, which I'm going to put in here. If I can get the backing off. There we go. Perfect. So, it's just a phase. Absolutely love it. Like I said, this doesn't need to be sealed. Yes, you can feel them on there, but they are on there. These are very difficult to get off. So, do make sure they are where you want them before you start your application. And once again, Jessica, thank you so, so much for the gift and the extra goodies. I very much appreciate it. And these were part of the sub box for December. If you are looking for a sub box, go to the Butterfly Lanes website or the Facebook group. They'll be linked down below, and you'll know when those go live and active. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.